Good morning everyone. Today we are discussing one question. Prove that the points 2 minus 3, 5 minus 1 and 8 1 are collinear. To show that the condition for collinear, we need to show that area of triangle is 0. Here A is equal to 2 minus 3, B is equal to 5 minus 1 and C is equal to 8 1. I want to show that area of triangle is 0. So formula for area of triangle is, first we can assume here A is equal to 2 minus 3, B is equal to 5 minus 1 and C is equal to 8 1. Our assumption, this is x1 by 1 and this is x2 by 2 and last one is x3 by 3. So for area of triangle formula delta is equal to 1 by 2 mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. We have to show that this value is equal to 0. Now I am substituting the values 1 by 2. What is x1? 2 into y2 minus y3. y2 value minus 1, y3 value also 1 plus x2 plus 5 into y3 minus y1. 1 minus into minus plus 3 plus x3 8 into y1 minus y2 minus 3 minus into minus plus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 5 into 1 plus 3 4 plus 8 into minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 5 into 4 20 plus into minus 8 into 2 16, that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 4 minus 16 minus 20 and plus 20. 1 by 2 into minus 20 plus 20 0, 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. Therefore the given points are collinear. Therefore